Okay, so we're gonna install this Android 8.1 on this LG Stylo 2 Plus device. You do this with 3 easy steps. Step 1, you unlock the system so you can put a new firmware, obviously. Step 2, you load this tool called TWRP, which allows you to actually load the new ROM and tools. And the step 3, of course, you actually load the new ROM, and that's it. This is a very standard procedure. The issue that I had on this LG Stylo 2 Plus was with my Windows box. The Android driver said that it was the latest and greatest. I did the update driver, came up with this, but the LG Stylo 2 Plus wouldn't work with this. When I issued that command, the fast boot to get this waiting on device, and that was a nasty one. So I digged around and I found this proper USB driver, which is going to be included on my pack here on the link on the description. And doing that was it. You completed, everything's fine, everything's straightforward. And after you're done, make sure that you don't put the lock back from step 1. Don't do that, because that will break your phone, and that's not a funny thing to go through. We just managed to do that on one device, so we're putting together a video trying to doing the unbrick process. So let's go. First thing you need to do is install the ADB and download my pack with the required pieces. Place your device in developers mode like that, and make sure that USB debugging and OEM unlock are checked. Next thing is we're going to plug in the device into your laptop, of course. This message will pop up, acknowledge like that. And if your device is listed after that command, that means we're ready to go. So we issue the first command, and this will cause your screen to go like that. Then we try to unlock, and we get this little issue here, but it's no biggie. Then I go to my device manager. See here, then you do update driver, then you pick this lower one, and this lower one, and go to next. And here you say have disk, and you pick up the local driver. Alright, I have it handy here, so it goes. Get this weird message, but we just carry on. We just continue. No biggie. So now the driver goes there nicely. It was waiting a device, then once I got the driver, it went through. So we reboot, we issue these 2 commands, and we let it go. We should get this screen. Yeah, that means we're unlocked. So we let it keep on the rebooting process, and we get ready to step 2 right away. So here I have the tool. This is the one that has that TWRP tool. I extract this file, and that's where the recovery image is coming from, this guy. So then we loaded this recovery image with these 2 commands, and we're ready for step 3. Let's go. So we're ready to go. We just get to phone into recovery mode, and we're good to pull the battery out, put it back, and then reboot in recovery mode. How do? You press both. This, power and volume down. Once you see the prompt like that, let go of this and keep it packed. Keep it pushed, and we get this, and there we are. To load the ROM, we already installed the recovery image, so now we got to check that we can copy the files. The mount, we can mount so we can copy the files. Check is that the MTP is not disabled, meaning we're good to transfer the files, so we're good. Should be ready to receive. Let's check the Windows machine. As you can see, so let's copy the files from my pack. I have them right here, and let me go back to that place. The files that we need, so we just copy them and I drop it to the phone. Phone is there, so this is our phone storage. We go there and we drop the files here. Phone memory, and we just run them. Just need the 3 files, the base files. That's it, man. You're almost there. Copy. So we unplug it from the computer, and we plug and punch install. And you see the files that I uploaded right here. So we start with the ROM. We highlight it, and it's loading the new ROM. So we let it go. ROM is installed. Cool. So then we just install the other 2 pieces. At least that's. You go back, install the next one, the gaps. That's an easy one. See, that's going. You need the gaps because that's the basic tools I use the Pico file because I don't want all this other junk, just the minimum. And from there you can build any way you wanted it. So got it. We got the gaps installed. And now we need the last piece. We go back, we install the SU thingy here. Flash it. And now the SU is installing. And that's it. Those are the three main pieces. I think we're good to go. Done. Go back to the main menu and reboot. And we'll reboot the system now. So we get that message. You gotta live with that. Our phone is booting. Now it's gonna come to the new ROM. It's a good sign. The new logo is coming. And bingo, we're there. So you go to the setup process and you're good to go. You know, and you get the new. There we are. See, that's the basic apps. Setting and see what we got here. We have Stylo 2 Plus, Android 8.1, or build it up any way you want it. All right, done.